Hello everyone, I'm Devasis Mamgai, co-founder at Communicate. I have been working into the chatbot space for the last 3 years. During this time, I've interacted with many developers as well as non-techies who are looking to build their chatbots, and I've worked on multiple chatbot projects for our customers. So in this presentation, I've tried to explain the very basics of what chatbot is and how you can use it for your business without the need to write any line of code and without any technical knowledge required. Okay, so let's get the presentation started. Okay, so first thing is what exactly is a chatbot? Okay, so when you are interacting with another human agent or a friend of yours, it's a human to human conversation which is happening. Now, when we are talking about what exactly the chatbot is, a chatbot is basically a computer program, okay, which is simulating a human based conversation and replying to you. So, what essentially a chatbot does is when you are interacting with a chatbot and you have sent a message to the chatbot will try to interpret the words, okay, which you have sent to the chatbot, and then it will find a predefined answer from his program and it will return it to you. So this is a very basic example of how the chatbot looks like, where a user has sent a message, hey, and the chatbot has responded with a predefined answer. So there are multiple ways to categorize chatbots. So we will go through two types of chatbots in this presentation. One is a rule-based chatbot, and another is a AI-based chatbot. So a rule-based chatbot is one of the simplest form of chatbot, okay, which is essentially built using rules. So you have a predefined rule for any given user input, and then you have a predefined answer for it. You might have seen it in many websites where you see a chatbot coming, and there are buttons on the chatbot. It's called as rich message buttons, and you have to just click on it, and you are not allowed to type it, or you are not allowed to type any message to the bot, but you are only allowed to click on it. Those are the rule based chatbot. A rule is very basic rules, like you can say, if a user says hi, then reply with hello there, right? If a user says bye, then reply with okay, bye, have a nice day. So these are basically the rules that you can configure into the chatbot, and when the user input comes, it will try to find a match with the predefined rules, and then it will return back to the user. So here is an example for that. Now, if a user says hi, hey, then if the rule is exact match, it will reply with hey there. But the problem in this is if a user, let's say, write hey there, then if the rule is exact match, the bot will not reply to it, because the rule defined is exact match. So you will have to tweak your rule according to the use cases, and then you can say, let's say the rule is contains. So in this example at the bottom, where if a user says bye and the rule is contains, now even if the user says bye, talk to you later, even then the bot will be able to give the reply with bye, have a good day. So in a rule based chatbot is basically a predefined set of rules that you can configure, and the bot will reply based on that. Okay, so this is a very simple form of of a code label, you can say, of a pseudo code. How exactly on the background, how exactly the chatbot code looks like. So it is basically, if a user input matches something, then reply this. If user input matches something else, then reply to that. Now, the problem here in the rule based chatbot is, as and when you will identify more user inputs, you will keep on adding more rules to it, and you will have n number of rules in this, right? It will be for a greeting message, then it will be for a goodbye message, then it will be for certain, let's say if you are building a chatbot for for your product information, it will be a lot of things coming around the product. And then it has to match with the corresponding one. If user input is anything which is around it, for example, if you have added a question as you have added a rule as what is the price, and let's say the user input doesn't come same as what is the price, because different people write things different way. So someone can come and say tell me the price, right? Now if you have configured a rule as what is the price, and the user input is tell me the price, the rule based chatbot will basically fail in that case. So this is more of a limitation of that rule-based chatbot. That one is the result accuracy is not correct, because, as I explained, a user input might not exactly match with what rules you have configured. And then if there is any complex queries, complex queries can be, let's say, if someone is trying to book a flight, and the flight booking can have different parts where the user can say, hey, book a flight from New York to Bangalore, okay, for such and such date. Now it's a complex query, it has multiple parts on it. It has flight booking, it has destination, source, and then it has date. So rule based chatbots will have difficulty in this. Now there are other ways, other conditions in that, where if, let's say, the bot has first asked the question about source and destination of flight booking, and then in the next input is how many passengers are there. So this is where the the complexity comes in. And then how many rules you are going to add, the rules will keep on increasing, and it will be hard to maintain that large data set for for those rules. Yeah, this is where the AI-based chatbots come into picture. In case of AI-based chatbot understands the user context, what the user is trying to say, even if the sentences are not exactly matching. The AI-based chatbot will be able to figure out what the user is saying and respond according to that. We will go through more details of the AI based chatbot and how you can build a AI based chatbot for your business without writing any code in our next chapter. Thank you.